We're gonna make a hit here in the rain. I'm gonna see how it goes. We're not gonna push it so hard on the back half of the track either. The brakes are struggling.
Help me!
Stanking.
They're not just stinking, they're not stopping. So we're gonna take it a little easy. We're not gonna hit 160 on the back straight this time. Keep it to about 120 maybe.
2020 X3M. Tell us everything that's done.
Oh, all right. So it's basically stock. We have our Kassel Performance downpipes on it. We did a 4-inch oval mid-pipe, and then we built a rear muffler for it. It's on flex fuel, and it's tuned. And that's apparently the recipe for 700 and some odd horsepower.
Yeah, what I make on the dyno the other day, like 760.
It said 760. In basic terms, it's a tune and downpipe car on ethanol making 700 horsepower. Stock turbos, stock fueling, stock everything, pretty much. We did the rear diff bushing inserts from VTT to just hopefully prevent my diff bolt from shearing off. So we'll find out if that's worth anything or not over time. Just trying to avoid going to solid mounts in the back and making it just annoying to drive.
Turn one's a little damp, so when you're braking, be careful.
Roger that. What should we do, a 40 roll?
Yeah. Yeah, what was that cut though?
I hit rev limiter.
Oh.
So that cost me a few miles an hour.
Yeah.
That cracked my back. That felt great.
On the wagon.
So anyway, that middle seat idea. How was it? You sliding all over?